Hello everyone, I am Tutor Tony. Today I am going to teach you how to express the number in Chinese. I think it's quite important because you're always going to use that to when you want to buy something, when you want to tell about what time is it. You always need to express a number in Chinese. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you from 0 to 10 in Chinese. Okay, everybody just follow me to read the Chinese. Okay, so first one, 0, 零, 零, and 一, 一, that means 1. 一, okay, so be careful, that is the first tone. 一. Okay, the second 2 is 二. 二. Okay, that means 2. Okay, then 三. 三. That is 3. Okay, then 四. 四. Be careful, that is put the stress, so it's the fourth tone. 四. 四. And then 5 is 五. 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 Okay, so the 6, 六. 六. Okay, that means 6. Okay, then 七. 七, just very light, very lightly. That means 7. 七. 七. Okay, then 8. 八. 八. Okay, it's like you driving the car and you press your horn. Ba 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 ba. Okay, and then the 9 is 九. 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 Okay, then 10 is 十. 十. Okay, so that is the number from the 0 to 10. So let's go over it. Okay, so from 0 to 10. 零. 零. 一. 一. 二. 二. 三. 三. 四. 四. 五. 五. 六. 六. 七. 七. 八. 八. 九. 九. The last one, 十. 十. Okay, so that is the number from 0 to 10. Do you get it? Okay, so please practice more. If now you cannot make it, I think that's fine. That's normal. You just need to practice. Practice make it perfect. Okay, so yeah, I suggest you have to try to memorize from this 0 to 10 very, very well, because that will be like to affect your want to express the any kind of scenario. You're going to use that by using the number, like to tell to people about the time, and to negotiate for the price, to tell the date and anything. Yeah, so try to memorize the 0 to 10. Okay, all right, next page. Now we're going to tell you from the 11th to, just like more than 10 is a kind of rule. So 11 is 十一, so just 十 is 10 and 一 is 1, so 10, 1, 11, 十一. And 12 is the same, 十二, so it's like a 10 and the 2, 十二. Okay, 10 and the 2. So the 13, 13. 3, so it's 10 and 3. 13. So from the 11 to 19, it's the same rule. So like a 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, blah, 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 until the 10, 9. So it will be 11, 12, 13. Okay. Alright, so more than 20. Okay, it's also a rule is, for example, 21, 21, 21. So it's like a 2, 10, 1. So 21. So 22. 22 is 2, 10, 2. So it's 22. 22. Okay, so 23. 23. 23. 2, 10, 3. So you can find out it's like the from the 0 to 9 is going to like to compose to make the number before after the 11. So that's why I just asking you really need to be recognized to memorize the basic number 0 to 9 very, very well. So you're going to make more number about that. Okay, so the 27, the same rule, 2, 10, 7. So that's 27. 27. Okay, so 59. So it's like a 5, 10, 9. So that's 59. 59. 59. 5, 10, 9. Okay. Alright, so now we come to how to say the 100,000, 10,000. Okay, so yeah, just be cautious because that's about number. So yeah, try to learn it. It will be helpful. It will be work on you when you want to make a business, whatever on your career. It's quite important to say that. Okay, so by is 100. Okay, by 100. Okay, and 千 is 1,000. Okay, 1,000. And 1 is 10,000. 1 is 10,000. Yeah, I have a lot of students, they are confusing. Yeah, they are confused by the 1,000 and the 10,000 because they are confused by the zero. So be careful, just 3 zeros, like 1, 2, 3 thousand, that is 千. And if you can see it's the 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that's the 10,000. That is 1. Okay, that is 1. Alright, so let's go review it one more time. Is by 100. By 100. 千 thousand. 10,000. And in the end, 1 10,000. 1 10,000. Okay, let's look at more example. Okay, so how to say the 30,000? Yeah, 30,000 is, yeah, do you get it? 3万元. So we say 10,000 is 1. So you can see the 4 zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 3万元. 3万元. Okay, the coming up, we make a more and more number on it. Okay, number 2, 34,000. 34,000. So you can see 34000元. 3万, yeah, 30,000 and 4,000. So that is 34000元. Okay, coming up, 34,500. Yeah, more and more difficult. Are you excited for that? So 34,500元，34,500元。34,500 34,500元。Okay, next one. Yeah, more and more complex. Okay, so that's the way to practice. Yeah, your sense to the number. Okay. Yeah, I'm also not good at the number, but sometimes people say when you want to count the paper money, it's totally different story with your mathematics. Yeah. Okay, so 34,510 元 so it's $34,510 34,510元34,510元 Okay, next one. Also the last one is 34,516元 34,516 Okay, 34,516元 34,516元 Okay, now we're going to apply the number really into the real scenario. Okay, when you go into the store, you can see the vendor. They're going to tell you, oh, welcome to my store. So that will be 你好 hello 欢迎光临 welcome 光临 come to my store 你好欢迎光临 welcome 欢迎 welcome 光临 come to my store usually for the business 光临 yeah, welcome to come to my store 你好欢迎光临 Okay, so the vendor is going to ask you 你要买什么你要买什么 What do you want to buy? Okay, now we're going to break down the every letters. Okay, first one, 要 want 要 want 买 buy 买 buy 什么 what 什么 what Okay, put together 你要买什么 What do you want to buy 你要买什么 Okay, so the buyer going to say I wanna buy this and that 我要买这个和那个 I wanna buy this and that Okay, 要 want 要 want 买 buy 买 buy 这个 Okay, 这个 this one 这个 this one 和 and 和 and 那个打完那个打完 Okay, let's put together 我要买这个和那个 I want to buy this and that 我要买这个和那个 Okay, so I'm going to ask how much 多少钱多少钱多少 is how much 多少多 is mean many 少 is less so put together we usually say is how much and 钱 money 钱 money so in Spanish dinero okay 钱 money so 多少钱 how much is okay 总共 total 总共 total in 元 is mean dollar so 总共570元 total in $570 总共570元 Okay, here the number come again so yeah please try to memorize the number, okay, from 0 to 10 at least. Okay, that is your homework this time. Okay, so let's repeat. 总共570元 total in $570. Okay, so you're going to complain. 太贵了 too expensive. 太 too 贵 expensive. 太贵了 too expensive. That is a very useful sentence. So people say when you go to China and when you see the vendors, the street vendors, they try to promote to you to promote, try to ask you to buy something. Yeah, the people say you did better just to cut the half price, because they provide the price is much more higher to the tourists compared to the local people. Yeah, but I'm not so sure. But yeah, do you like to negotiate for the price? I'm not that kind of person, but yeah, so just learn this. 太贵了 too expensive. 太贵了 too expensive. Okay, bargain again. Can you be cheaper? 可以便宜一点吗？可以便宜一点吗？可以 can. 可以 can. 便宜 cheaper. 便宜 cheaper. 一点 a little bit. In Spanish, poquito. 一点 a little bit. So put together. 可以便宜一点吗？ Can it be cheaper? 可以便宜一点吗？ Okay, so the vendor just finally reluctant to say, okay, 好吧，好吧。吧 is just like a sound, like a particle. It's just the tone, like you say, okay, why not? How I can be? So just like a little bit unwilling to say yes. Okay, so 好吧 Okay. Alright, finally, I also want to teach you the currency, the different kind of currency in Chinese. The first one, US dollar, so is 美金. 美金, we say 美国 is America, right? So 金 is gold, so put together is a US dollar. 美金. Okay, and 欧元. 欧元 is European dollar, EUR. 欧元. Okay, and 人民币 is Chinese currency, RMB, 人民币. Okay, in the end, I'm going to conclude into a dialogue. And in my one-on-one class, I usually will ask my student to have a dialogue, like a person A, person B. But yeah, now I only want to make the video course, so I will make it two. Okay, so 你好，欢迎光临。你要买什么？ Hello, welcome. What do you want to buy? 你好，欢迎光临。你要买什么？ Okay, the person B. 我要买这个和那个。多少钱？我要买这个和那个。多少钱？ I wanted to buy this and that. How much is it? 总共570元 total in $570. 总共570元。太贵了 too expensive. 太贵了。可以便宜一点吗？太贵了。可以便宜一点吗？ Too expensive. Can it be cheaper? 好吧 Okay. 好吧 Okay. Alright, that's in the end. So I want to say thank you to watch this video. I hope that will help you. So if you have any question, you can try to mail me and give me your advice, or any question you just let me know. Okay, so see you then. Bye bye.